Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making my favorite dish, Mutter Paneer, which is a creamy onion tomato based curry with Indian cheese cubes called paneer and peas. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First up, thinly slice the onions and roughly chop the tomatoes. We're going to be blending these later anyway, so don't worry if they're not cut evenly. Add some oil to a pan and put that on a medium-high heat. Go ahead and add the onions, and once they started caramelizing, add 1 teaspoon of cilantro powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and a quarter teaspoon of chili powder. After those spices have roasted a little bit, reduce the heat to low and add the tomatoes to the pan as well. While that's slowly simmering, you can cut the paneer into cubes, and then with these, you could add them to the curry just like this, or you can lightly fry them in some oil, which is what I'm going to do to make them slightly more firm, and make sure you keep flipping them. Once you're done frying those, turn the heat off and then add the onions and tomatoes to a blender with about a quarter cup of cashews. Blend it until smooth and add water as necessary to get the right consistency. Keep in mind that at this stage it's not going to taste very good, but by the end the taste will completely change. Okay, so now pour this mixture into a pan with high sides and then add half a teaspoon of sugar and salt to taste. Also add the paneer and peas as well as some dried fenugreek leaves and cilantro leaves and mix it really well. Now we're almost done, but first make sure to let it simmer like this for about 15 minutes. The wait is finally over. You can eat this with bread, naan, or rice, which is what I'm going to do. And then feel free to plate it however you want. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram. I'll see you next week.